Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, our topic will be the New York Hotel VoIP solution case study. Today, our speaker will be Bella, which you are very familiar with. During the session, if you have any questions, please feel free to pop up. Our tech expert is here today. He will be happy to answer them. Thank you. Bella, are you ready?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thanks for your time to join our training today. This is Bella from sales team, and I'm very glad to present some our case we did before to you, so that maybe you can learn something and maybe help you explore any project in the future in the hotel business. So today we should I need around 50 minutes, and we have 4 cases. We have 4 cases for the 4 type different the hotel, from the medium size or the 5-star or some the chain hotels project. So the first one is one project we did in Italy. This hotel is located in Italy, Milano, and it is a medium-sized hotel, and the room is around 100 rooms with a long time, and so need to improve upgrade the system and the patient cost. So the customer gave us their request that they need to put all into one, and also they hope that it's easy to install and maintain. They don't need many cables, so they need the Wi-Fi IP phones. So besides their so based on their request, we give the solution like this. We can find that the key. Okay, we can find that the IP-PBX is our OM200G. This PBX, the max can support around 200 users. And for this project, the customer also consider that in the future they may include the rooms. So we advise these models, and also they need adopt to the local the bidding system, the bidding software depot, and also we have configure and debug for them, so that in the end it can works very well. And the key is that you can find this solution that we use the Wi-Fi IP phones in the guest room, and for the hotel to leave a good impression on the customers. So we advise the high screen IP phones, our NRP 1610, these models, and also they use the IP cameras. We know that the IP camera is very popular in the field now, and in our case, once it supports the SIP protocols, our system all can support it. It's no issues. So you can, I give 1 second that you can check the systems if you have any questions. This is a very classic the business project for some errors. They upgrade the system from traditional to the VoIP. Okay, and the second one is a very big hotel, the Wyndham in Shanghai. And this one, the special that they need the trial play, the voice data and the video. So we call it's needed the ONU the device. We can find that the Wyndham is a very world-class hotel, and in Shanghai, it's more than 200 rooms in one building, and they also need to improve the communication efficiency and have a good impression on customers. And it's different from last project. For this hotel, they have very focused on the one-side meetings, and also they need management all the systems such as the guest room telephone system, the hotel system, and the hotel staff, the telephone system. They need all this in one system. So we have our solution like this to them. And we can find that for these systems, the New York offer our is also the OM200G, and but the difference that from last one is that they need very high stabilities. So we have another one to support the hot standby function. So if this main device got crashed down or meet issues, the backup one will work immediately. Our switch time is less, and also we have our cloud system to help them to manage all the device, and you can maintain all the system. And the third is that we have the PMSI, the software to talk to their original hotel PMS system. And you can find there is also another key that for some the staff, such as the vector or vectors, they maybe need to work or get up, down, or stare in the hotels. So we use the VoIP soft phone. It's very flexible for them to use. And for the guest room, we directly use the IP phones, and this is a 5-star hotels. So we use one brand, and also we can offer a service such as rebrand their hotels. So it should have a very good impression on customers. And for the staff office, to reduce the cost, we advise use the MX gateway. Okay, so this is also very type hotels in China, especially when they use ONU or OLT in the original solutions. And the next one is also very typical. The hotel solution is the chains hotel, such as you have different sites in different cities, including in different countries. Okay, in this the project, we have a very important service is the NAT traversal service. Just the NAT we introduced much in last quarter. We also use in this service, such as you can find that in the main head office, such as the city, such as in Shenzhen, we use the OM200G, and in other cities, we directly connect by the NAT, so they can make the internal calls always free. This can help the customers reduce the communication cost. And in fact, as we introduced the last time, such as NAT, the transfer service is also seen as the enterprise, such as the different the office in different cities. This is the same, but the difference is that the hotel system sometimes need to talk to third-party software, such as the billing software or PMS systems. You can find that this is very similar as the last two projects. But the key is that the NAT transfer service, and also we use the unified UMS systems and use the VoIP for the customers for flexible use. And the last one is the local 5-star hotel. Their key issues is the unified management. Okay, this project is in Yunnan province in China. This is a very beautiful city. And they have around 800 users, less than 1,000. And maybe in the future, they need to expand more than 1,000 users. And the special point is that they have different buildings in one area. They have 4 buildings. And all these buildings, they need to install the telephone system. They need to install the telephone, and they want to control and centralize all the phones and the systems. So we offer the solution like this. We can find that in the main office, we use the OM500G. This is the big IP-PBX. The max user is close to 1,000 users. And we also we offer our PMSI so that they can talk to their original hotel PMS systems. And for the different buildings, we advise use the MX gateway to reduce the cost, and all this gateway register the OM500G by the hotel network. And after this solution, you can find that the customers can manage and can manage all the telephones from our the UMS systems. And also in the future, if they want to expand the users, such as they have more buildings, they also can directly have the gateway or IP phones directly register to the OMG. Okay, that is a very short and quest introduce about our the hotel project, and I need to stress 2 points. That one is that you can find that most of the case is from the China local market. Due to we have not much project in the overseas market. So if you have any project now about the hotels, you can directly ask a New York sales team or technical team to offer the solution topology or the solution document to you. We should offer you within very short time, including the quotation and the solution advice and the models choose. And the second point is that it's also the key issues for projects. You need to talk to the local third parties, such as the billing systems or some the PM system in your local market. We haven't tested before. For this, by this project, you also can directly contact with us. We will support you. It is free. We will support you to debug and configure. And also in some necessary occasion, if they need some fees, we are also glad to pay the fees to get the certificate, maybe some authorized certificate. So that's we believe by this way we can help you get more name in the market, so that you can get more projects in the hotel business. Okay, that is all. If you have any questions, you can ask now or just send the email to me or Romel.
Okay, thank you very much, Bella. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions regarding to the solution or to the equipment or even to the bidding software, you are feel free to pop up here and we will be happy to answer. Thank you.
Okay, so if without any questions, I will send the PowerPoint to you by email if you need. Thanks very much for your time.
Okay, thank you. Hope to see you next time. Bye.